One more thing, student. Suppose you are writing a sentence like this. Mango is the king of fruits. Mango is the king of fruits. Suppose you are writing this sentence. Mango is the king of fruits. Is it right? No, it is not right. Why? Because you not write it properly. You not start your sentence with capital letter. Neither you put here the full stop. Understand? It is sensible. Of course, it is sensible. Mango is the king of fruits. Mango फलों का राजा है. But the method of writing is wrong. What is wrong? This M. You start your sentence with a small letter. And here is no full stop. So it is wrong. It is wrong. Now right method is mango with capital letter. Mango is the king of fruits and full stop. Now it is right. Now it is right. If you will write your sentence like this, so it will be wrong. If you will write like this, then only it will be right with capital letter and full stop. Don't forget these two things. Okay? And one more example. My brother lives in Mumbai. Is it right? No, it is again wrong. Why? Because यहाँ पर आपने कैपिटल एम से स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, ना ही यू पुट हियर फुल स्टॉप. नाउ लुक एट हियर, आई एम राइटिंग इट अगेन विथ कैपिटल लेटर. माई ब्रदर lives in Mumbai. Is it right? Now I am putting here one full stop also. Now is it right? No, it is not right. You put here full stop and you start your sentence with capital letter also, but it is not right. I tell why. Because I not write here capital M. Mumbai is the name of a city. It is a proper noun. What is it? Proper noun. Mumbai is a proper noun. So I have to write it like this. My brother lives in Mumbai with capital M, because it is a proper noun. This is wrong, this one is also wrong, and this is your right sentence. Understand? My brother lives in Mumbai. In this sentence, you can see this M is capital. This is your full stop, because Mumbai is a proper noun. So M is capital. Understand? Now this is the right method to write a sentence. I hope you understand the sentence. Now I will explain you your worksheet, which you have to do in your language notebook. If your old one book is filled, you can use new notebook for English literature also. Your your topic is the sentence. Here definition. A sentence is a group of words makes complete sense, which I told you. Two things are here to remember. Don't forget these two things. Each sentence begins with a capital letter. Each sentence ends with a full stop. Here are also some examples which you have to note down in your notebook. Mary is a good girl. It is wrong. Why? Because this M is not in capital. Mary is the name of a girl. So we have to write this M in capital letter. Here it is in capital letter. Mary is a good girl. Now it is right. I rewrite here right. Second one is she is 5 years old. Again this is wrong sentence. Why? It is meaningful, but it is wrong because of this S. Okay, write this S in capital letter. S-H-E, she is 5 years old. Now this is right. One more example. Are birds the in sky flying? These are words, and I write it here in sequence. Birds are flying in the sky. चिड़ियाँ आसमान में उड़ रही हैं. Now this is your sentence. Then this one. One more example. Barks at stranger's dog. This is wrong. Dog barks at strangers. Capital D, full stop, and write it correctly. It is a meaningful, not meaningless. This one is meaningless. इसका कोई अर्थ नहीं हो रहा था, but इसका meaning है. Dog barks at strangers. कुत्ते अजनबियों पर भौंकते हैं. Now your homework. Here are 10 sentences which you have to write correctly by putting capital letters and full stops. I am a good girl. She is my sister. There is a garden in my house. January is the coldest month of the year. My father bought a new car. Taj Mahal is a beautiful building. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. There are 24 hours in one day. New Delhi is the capital of India. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Now again student, you have to write it properly with using capital letter and full stop. One more thing, proper noun also. Write the proper noun with capital letter in this sentence. You have to find out the proper noun. Okay. Now question second is, arrange these words so that they make sentence. These words you have to arrange properly. I will read it for you. 7, comma, colors, comma, there, comma, is, comma, a, comma, rainbow, comma, are. Okay. Second, red, comma, roses, comma, these, comma, a, comma, have, comma, lovely, comma, scent. Then number 3, elephant, comma, I, comma, in, comma, so, comma, a, comma, words, comma. These are the group of words. You have to rearrange all these words to make meaningful sentence. I gave you so many examples now. You have to do these properly. Okay. And don't, after completing this work, don't submit this work. There is no need to submit this work. Understand? You have to do this work in your language notebook only. Okay. So I written here, dear parent, please ignore the submission date. It means no need to submit this work. You have to submit your work which you will get on Thursday. Okay. Thank you student. I hope you all are following the rules of the lockdown. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.